Trisha earns $25 per hour and she works for 6 hours in a day. If she decided to work overtime, she will be paid $35 per hour. She only works from Monday to Saturday. This week she earns $1,215. How many hours of overtime did she work? Let's see if we can convert all of this information into an equation for us to solve for our unknown, our hours of overtime. Let's start with $25 per hour, working 6 hours. To find the total money she made there, we would need to multiply 25 by 6. She worked 6 days out of a 7-day week, Monday to Saturday. So we can multiply that by another 6 to find out how much money she made in the week without overtime. If we add that to her overtime, which would be paid $35 an hour, we don't know how many hours she worked overtime, so we'll make that our variable x. And that is equal to the total amount of money that she was paid, which was $1,215. Now that we have an equation, we can begin to solve. Let's start by simplifying this multiplication group right here. 6 times 6 will give us 36. 25 times 36 will give us 30. 6 times 2 is 3. 150. Placeholder 0. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 0, 10, 9. So $900 is how much money she made without overtime. Plus overtime will equal $1,215. So now we can opposite operation, subtract 900 from both sides. 35x equals 5, 1, 9 minus 12 will give us 3, so 315. And let me move that down just a bit. 35x will equal 315. So in this case, this division, this last step, opposite operations, is going to be a little bit tricky. I do not know off the top of my head how many times 35 can go into 315, but we can use estimation to help us figure it out faster. We could say, what if this was 30 instead of 35 and 300? How many times can 30 go into 300? It can go in 10 times. So we could try 1 below 10, which would be 9, and we can try 1 above 10, which would be 11. Let's see which one of those will give us 315. 35 times 9 to start. 9 times 5 is 45, carry the 4. 9 times 3 is 27, plus 4 is 31. So if 9 times 35 is 315, then that means 315 divided by 35 will give us 9, making C our correct answer.